so excited and I'm going to show you how to make this highly requested recipe, Achar Gosht Biryani. It's so good and so simple with Shan masalas. So let's go. I remember Eid like it was yesterday. My mom and grandma preparing a big pot of everyone's favorite lamb biryani. And this Eid, very close recipe to my heart, is on the menu on your request with lots of flavors and memories. So to your meat, pour over some oil, add yogurt, ginger and garlic and Shan Achar Gosht masala, Kashmiri chilli, give it a mix and marinate for a few hours. In a pot, add in oil and whole spices, add in your meat and fresh tomatoes, and once the tomatoes have dissolved, pressure cook until the meat is tender. For your rice, to some boiling water, add in salt, whole spices and rice and par cook and leave aside. To your meat, add in crushed fried onions and sprinkle over with fresh coriander and mint. Then in a pot, layer with rice and lamb and finish off with saffron to add some color and aroma, and top with fried onions and leave to steam until your biryani is done. Please do try it out. Eid Mubarak from me and my family to you and yours.